This is a 2010 Buick Enclave, a great fit and finish. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity discharge headlights, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: heated front seats, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, a power rear liftgate, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, fog lamps, OnStar, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 48,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Buick qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.